Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Technical Analysis Made Simple. I am very excited to announce a new video series, Chart Patterns. We will learn all the basic classical chart pattern in this series. This is the introduction video and here we will understand how the series will look like. This is completely free. Try to take this opportunity to learn about technical analysis and please share it with people who are interested in this, so that maximum people get benefited. The agenda for this introduction video will be, we will learn about what are chart patterns, why do they work, patterns that will be discussed in this series, and structure of the subsequent videos. So what are chart patterns? Now, there are 4 things you need to remember here. The first word is chart pattern. Chart patterns are certain identifiable structures that can be used for taking trading decisions. The second important point here is type of activity in the market. So there are 2 kinds of activity, the impulse move and the correction or consolidation. The impulses take market in a particular direction, that is when we see a proper up move or a down move. And the corrections take market in the sideways or ranged movement. These are very important as there are particular kind of trading decisions which need to be taken for both type of moves. The third is characteristic, that is whether it is a continuation or a reversal pattern. So when a pattern forms, you will be well equipped to think whether the price will continue in the same direction or it can reverse. So let me give you an example. Let's say a price is rising and then you see a reversal pattern. You should be ready with your trading decisions that if this pattern pans out, then you have to book profit or you have to short it. Similarly, the trading decision can be taken on the other side. The fourth point is psychology. The above 3 pointers, when you combine them, you get to know what is the psychology of the market, what is the market thinking. Ultimately, you need to understand that the money flow drives the price and money outflow makes the price fall. So we need to understand where the money flow is exactly, and then spotting that will help us making good trading decisions. So now the patterns that we will discuss here are, the first one is channels. The second is flags and pennants. The third is double top or double bottom. The fourth will be triangles and wedges. The fifth one will be head and shoulders. And the last will be cup and handle. I have tried to arrange them in the order of complexity. That is, channels are the easiest patterns to understand and learn and at the same time spot. And cup and handle takes some experience and some understanding to spot it. Now please understand that we will discuss all the patterns, but it is on you to go back, try to identify them and practice it as much as possible. I'll give you an example. When I was doing this in my early years, I used to see at least 30 to 40 charts initially, and then that went up to like 100 charts per day. I used to find which pattern is forming, why is that working, why is that not working, and with my knowledge understanding I have come up with this series. Here I will also discuss what should be the ideal entry point so that your risk is minimized. See, risk management is the most important part here. If we cannot manage our risk, we can never make money. As simple as that. So risk management will also be taught here. Now let's discuss what will be the video format for the next 6 videos. The first will be visual depiction. That is, we will see how a particular pattern looks like. Here there will be a line chart and a normal candlestick chart so that you get an idea how the pattern looks like. The second part will be type of pattern, whether it is a reversal or a continuous pattern. The third pointer will be volume consideration. Volume is very important here. In all the videos, I will try to cover the intricacies of volume and how to see it. So by the end of this series, you can be assured that volume reading will also be taken care of. The fourth pointer is trade plan. Now that you understand everything, now it is time to take decisions. So what are the 3 decisions you should take? Entry, exit and stop loss. So exit can be defined in 2 ways, that is target and stop loss, but everything can fail. Hence there has to be a stop loss. Now stop loss will also be provided with respect to 2 scenarios, whether you are an aggressive trader or whether you are a conservative trader. A conservative trader will have very less risk appetite. So accordingly, we will discuss every pattern from 2 points of view. And the last one is examples. There will be a lot of examples, at least 4 to 5 examples for each. And I will also try to discuss some recent examples where you can connect some hot stocks. If I can find, that would be even better. Now, if you have any questions regarding this, please drop it in the comment section. I will answer all of them. Also, please share this video. Let it spread to the maximum people so that maximum people get benefited. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next video.